We use a small inverter in the van to charge batteries, charge our phone, to power the laptop, and things like that. This is run on a secondary or coach battery that our van has under the hood. Now there's a power switch that allows us to run one battery, the other battery, or both together. Now we started having problems where we could only run the inverter for like an hour or half an hour. Checking into it, I found a problem with the battery separator switch. I managed to find some parts and do a roadside repair on that. I made a new cable and connected everything up and cleaned all the connections, and now it's working just fine. Keep an eye on that when I get home. I'm going to invent something much better than this, but until then, this is going to keep us going. We'll know tonight how our laptop works and everything if we have enough power. I think we will. Okay, that's it.